So I know it's probably a bad time to film this because it is night. As you can see, it's dark outside. But I just thought I'd report my first shoot. And this one is coming up, and I'm really excited because it's the very first one. So these ones are paper flowers over here. And the forget-me-nots are doing well. This one's getting bigger. They're all getting bigger, and all these shoots, the ones that were babies, are now green, lovely green shoots. So these are all daffodils, and these are the paper flowers. So that's the first one that's come up. So I'm really happy that it did, because I wasn't sure whether they were too deep in the soil or what. So now it's growing, so I just have to wait for all the others to grow. So that's the first one that's actually survived. So I'm gonna have to water these tomorrow, I guess. It's been a couple of days since the last watering, and that should moisten the soil for all the other little plants that are yet to come up. And yeah, but all these plants are doing so well. I'm not sure about this one here. I'll just put the leaves behind a little bit because they are getting quite burnt at the front there, so I'm gonna put them behind there, and maybe in the shade they won't be so burnt. But they're growing on top of this little plant, so it's been kept really shady, and when that plant grows, it will I'll have to probably move it away a little bit further, but no, when that plant grows, it'll push the leaves up and stuff, make it disperse a bit more. But yeah, but these forget-me-nots, I'm not sure if it's actually forget-me-not season. It's still quite warm though, so they're not getting frosted. But they might do better in the frosty season, I don't know, but it's still quite bushy. I mean, I'm glad that they're growing very well. But I'm just not sure about, because they're a bit discolored, I'm not sure, if they're in the best position or what. So this little nut one is growing really well. It's got heaps of sprout on it, so it's going to probably just climb up this window here now that it's reached it. So that's that one there. So it's got quite a few leaves on it. It's just going to sort of probably climb up the window, I guess. So I'm not actually sure what it's doing, but I'll just leave it to climb. And this is a very weak version of a carnation, this one, the one that's drooping. So all the other versions of it are standing upright, but that one's sort of drooping, so I think it's just